Sea transportation is an integral part of our culture, and the progress of our nation has been built on this culture. Hazira Ghogha Ro-Pax ferry service will be a watershed moment in the Indian history. Surat and Saurashtra in Gujarat have been closely linked for a long time. Close to 20 lakh people of Saurashtra have found economic opportunities in Surat, having to live away from their home, land and families. In order to aid the people in their quest to find economic prospects, at the same time maintain proximity with their hometown, our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi envisioned this Ro-Pax service which will connect Saurashtra and Surat via waterways.
ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट है जो मेरे दिल को छुआ हुआ है। भाइयों और बहनों, सौराष्ट्र और दक्षिण गुजरात के बीच 5000 से ज्यादा गाड़ियां हर रोज इन दो क्षेत्रों को कनेक्ट करने के लिए सड़कों पर दौड़ती है। यही कनेक्टिविटी सड़क के बजाय समंदर से होगी।
Ro-Pax, roll-on, roll-off shipping, is a facility which can transport automobiles from one place to another via ships. Surat's Hazira and Saurashtra's Ghogha will now be connected via the Ro-Pax ferry service, which will allow the commuters to travel between these two cities in their own vehicles in merely 4 hours. Earlier, this journey required them to travel 370 km by road, which took them 10 to 12 hours. Currently, approximately 18 lakh buses and trucks travel between Surat and Saurashtra annually. With the commencement of the Ro-Pax ferry service, annually 5 lakh passengers, 80,000 passenger vehicles, 50,000 two-wheelers and 30,000 trucks will be able to travel between these cities via sea. Additionally, the daily 3 trips of the ferry service will save up to 33 lakh liters of the fuel for the country. This ferry service will also aid the coastal industries like Saurashtra's re-rolling mills, cement manufacturing, steel plants, ship recycling, food processing, etc. by reducing the total logistic cost, which will drive growth in these areas. The notional distance between the two cities will thus reduce, thereby enabling progress and economic development. Surat will be benefit from the coastal industries in Saurashtra, and at the same time, Saurashtra will gain easier access to bigger cities like Surat and Mumbai, which will generate higher employment opportunities. Wishes from the natives of Saurashtra living in Surat will shape a new India.
આ સુરતી લાલાને છોકરાઓનો જન્મદિવસ મનાવવો હોય તો હવે આ ફેરી સર્વિસો બુક કરાવીને જન્મદિવસ પણ ત્યાં સમુદ્રની વચ્ચે જઈને ઉજવી શકાય.
This sea road link joining Saurashtra and Surat will lead to national development which will be witnessed for the centuries to come.